there, it's Ashley with WTI. If you are looking for a great kids watch, I highly recommend this one from Phyulls. So this is my son's first smartwatch and it's really easy to use. I like that it has many notches here in the band, fitting the smallest of wrist. The wallpaper you can change, as well as the clock face you can change to whichever one that you want. I also really like that you can put music on this and play it. It also comes equipped with an alarm, a timer, and of course games for our little kids. This one is the memory game, really easy to use. The touchscreen works great. This is the basketball game, and it has many other games. That's one of my son's favorite features. It also has a pedometer. You can go ahead and put this on school mode, which is a really nice feature. It has a calculator and a calendar. Your kid can record their voice, use the camera, use the recorder. And I really like also that it's easy to charge. It has a USB port right here in the side. We are really happy with this watch. And that's my point of view.